Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here polycyclic compound is given which is aromatic with 4 benzene groups and there is 2 hydroxyl groups. You have to find how many number of signal it can produce in the 13C NMR. Before finding any number of signal, you have to know whether any symmetry present inside the molecule or not. By looking at blindly, compound may look asymmetric, but the compound is really symmetrical. If you rotate the molecule, you can find the compound has one mirror plane of symmetry on the middle of it. What happened? Both OH groups are reflected each other. If any symmetry present inside the molecule, it will reduce the number of signals. The atom reflected in the plane are magnetically equivalent and produce same chemical shape. So if you look at it, the molecule will have only 10 signals in the NMR instead of many. So the given compound produces only 10 signals due to the mirror plane. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.